Welcome back to the Beginner Rhythm and Counting course. This is level 2.3, and if you're coming to this course for the very first time, I encourage you to check out the links in the description below, or wait to the very end, and I'll explain more about how to get this course, the package that comes with it, and everything else that goes along with this. Rhythm is the most important thing in music, and this course, I promise, is going to just skyrocket your rhythm and counting abilities, and I'm here to help you, and you will become an expert before you know it. First three important rules we always go over are show each beat or pulse, only show what's needed, and number three, which is probably mostly for me, write clearly, neatly, and concisely. I said clearly for some reason. Here we go. We have number one. Nothing is new here, so I won't explain any new concepts. What we're doing is we are reinforcing everything we've learned so far, and that way we can move to level 3 as experts. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And want to quickly mention that you should have already finished the entire sheet on your own, and you are just checking your answers with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Put that there to make it look like a weird 3, but it's still a 3. Here we go. So now we have to count and clap everything all together with 1, 2, number 1. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All done. Easy stuff, right? Next up, we have level number 2, not level 2. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Not too difficult. It's all in the bag. Counting and clapping with me. 1, 2, number 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All done. Wonderful stuff. Number 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 and 2, 3, 4, and 1 and 2. I almost put a 3 there, caught myself. 3, 4. We all make mistakes. As long as you accept it and you can push forward, you win the day. 2, 3, 4. Now, a couple things to notice. In level 2.3, the last video, I talked about how you would not see this. It would just be a quarter rest if you're writing it properly. But I put these there on purpose. And the reason being is because the second bar, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the rest is in the exact same place as these eighth notes. So I'm putting these eighth notes there on purpose just to give that fluency and to see that there are differences as you play and practice. Here we go. Number 3. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, and 2, 3, 4, 1, and 2, 3, 4. I apologize, I didn't count the and in the third bar there, but you can always go back and do it yourself. Either way, I know you understood what I was doing, so keep pushing forward. Number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 and 2, 3, 4, and. Great stuff. Almost on the first section. Here we go. Number 4 with 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1 and 2, 3, 4 and. All done. That's more like a percussion part right there. All the rests. So here we go. We're going to push on. We have number 5, 6, and 7, and we're going to start with number 5. 1 and 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Got ahead of myself. And goes there. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and our lovely whole rest. 2, 3, 4. There it is. Counting and clapping. Here we go. 1, 2, number 5. 1 and 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2, 3, 4. 1, 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Done. Another percussion part, I'm guessing. Number 6. 1 and 2, 3, 4. I've been picking on percussionists for the past 2 videos. 1 and 2 and. I apologize. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, and 4. Maybe it could be a tuba part. 3, 4. Number 6, counting and clapping. All together. 1, 2, number 6. 1 and 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All done. Now, if you had trouble with the second bar there, with this 1 and 2 and 3, it's not hard to clap and count it, but just saying this and feeling these offbeat patterns can be difficult. You can always stop the video and redo it with me. Just rewind the video and keep doing it over and over again until you get it right. And especially if you can go and get your own metronome and practice this at a faster tempo. Set it to, let's say, 100 beats per minute, and then 120, and then 144, just some common tempo markings. And I promise it becomes so much easier once you do it a few times. This goes for basically everything in life, especially with music. Number 7, very last one. 1 and 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1 and 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2, 3, 4, and 1 and 2, 3, 4, and. All finished. Number 7. The last thing to do is to clap and count all together. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. 1 and 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1 and 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2, 3, 4, and 1 and 2, 3, 4, and. All done. So again, thank you very much for watching and following along. I encourage you to go back and watch all the videos again if you need to, or even just go to my website and you can check out the package if you have not gotten that yet. It's very important because having these sheets and all the workbooks and sheets and listening lessons to go along with this are key to your success. Now, what I mean by this is just watching the videos will not help. Doing it by hand, having a printed piece of paper where you can fill it out as best as you can and use it over and over again on your own without me, without going to YouTube, is important. And that's why I want to encourage you to do this, especially if you're a teacher and you would like to use this with your class, you can tell them to go watch the video at home or watch it in class together. You can do this on your own without the videos if you want. You can use just the worksheets. Whatever you need, it is there for you. So all you have to do is go down to proteanman.com. There's a link in the description below, /music-education. And you can find everything here. There's a lot more courses if you want to go through the website as well. But this right here is the one we're on, Beginner Rhythm and Counting. You can add to cart, you can click it here, and you can go right to the description page, which gives you an example page. And you can go through this yourself. The very first video tells you more about it. Introduction video. I'm always changing it, always updating it, making it better. And the link that you get when you purchase this package is good forever. You can download it over and over and over again. And you can also just let me know if you lose the email or delete it by accident, because I'll just give you a brand new link. I want you to keep using these packages. That's why I made them. I've used them for over a decade with my students, and it has made exponential success compared to anything else I've ever seen on the market. If you have any questions, you can always come up here to have a question or the contact button at the top of the page. Anything at all, just let me know and I'll get back to you as soon and as concisely as I possibly can, because we're all here to help you and to make you become an expert in music. So thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.